Good morning, students. In module 5th, I will solve exercise 12.2, question number 11. Question number 11 is a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Blades are two. Suppose this is the blade and angle is 115, one blade, and it cover this area, and the radius of this, the length of this blade is 25 centimeter, and this is also 25 centimeter. So this blade cover this area. This area is in the form of sector, and this area covered by one blade, and the area of this sector will be theta upon 360 pi r square, and two blades are there, so multiply by 2. So theta here 115 degree. The length of the blade will as a radius of this sector r is equal to 25, and total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades equal to 2 into area of sector. Area of sector theta upon 360 pi r square. Theta is 115 upon 360, pi 22.7, r square. R is 25 into 25. So this 360 divided by 2, 180, and here this 2 divided by 22, 11, and 2 divided by 180, 90, and here divided by 5, here 5 5 and 90 divided by 5, 80. So now multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 115 into 11 into 25 into 5, 158, 125, and here 18 7 126 square centimeter. This is the area cleaned by the blade in one sweep. Clear? And then question number 13. The question number 10 and 12 you can do. This is very easy. Question number 13 is a round table cover has 6 equal design like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are equal width. Try to understand. If the radius of the cover is 28, this is 28 centimeter. This is also 28 centimeter. Find the cost of the making of the design at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Use root 3 equal to 1.7. These are the designs, 6 equal designs, and this design, you see this sector O, A, B, and this design in the form of a segment. How many segments are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are equal. So here radius of this sector r is equal to 28. This theta will be, because equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. X plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x, 6x equal to 360, or x is equal to 360 upon 6, 60 degree. So angle AOB theta equal to 60 degree. The question is, how can you find the area of one design, or you can say one segment? Area of a segment theta upon 60 pi square minus 1 upon 2 r square sine theta. Theta 60 upon 60, pi 22.7, and r is 28 into 28, 1 upon 2 r square 28 into 28 sine 60 beta, and you simplify it, and then 44 into 28 upon 3. Here this 2 cancels by this, 14 into 28 root 1060 root 3 upon 2. And here you multiply 44 into 28, you will get 1232 upon 3 minus root value of root 3 1.7 and 14 into 14 96. Then take LCM. LCM is 3. Then 3 divided by 3. 1 into this 1 2 3 to same. And here 3 divided by 1 3. 3 into this one full. And then 1 2 3 to same, and here multiply 3 into 196 into 1.7, you will get 999.6, and subtract. After subtract, you will get 232.4 upon 3 square centimeter. And how can you find the area of these 6 segments? Area of 6 segments, or you can say area of 6 design equal to 6 into this one, and 3 to the 6. 2 multiplied by 232.4, you will get 464.8 square centimeter. And it is given that here cost of the design of 1 square centimeter equal to rupees 0.35, and then cost of the design of this one 464.8 square centimeter multiplied by this, and you will get 162 rupees 68 paise. And question number 14, you see very attentively. Pick the correct answer of the following. Area of the sector. Sector angle beta is sector angle B, theta equal to P, and radius R. Radius with capital R. Okay. Then area of the sector. Area of the sector P upon 360 pi R square. So A part it is wrong, B part it is also wrong, because P upon 180 है यहाँ पे बेटे 360 होना चाहिए. Now in C R square is not there, and then last D is 720 divided by 2, you will get 360 P upon 360 pi R square. This one. So D part is correct. So like this, you solve question number 14 like this. Thank you.